What if I told you that behind every major tech company, from Google to Amazon to Meta, there's a hidden economy run not by humans, but by artificial intelligence? An invisible network of algorithms, data farms, and automated decision-making systems that quietly generate billions of dollars, while most of us have no idea it even exists. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. And it's the real reason why tech giants are more powerful than most governments on Earth. Welcome to the secret AI economy, the machine-driven system that powers the richest corporations in history. Artificial intelligence has become the buzzword of the decade. Everyone's talking about AI tools, chatbots, and automation. But what most people don't realize is that the world's biggest companies have been using AI not just as a tool, but as a core economic engine for years. It's the hidden layer of code beneath every click, every ad, every purchase, every video you watch, and even every scroll on your feed. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, and Microsoft aren't just building products. They're operating AI economies that learn, adapt, and grow faster than any human organization could. So in this video, we'll uncover how these AI economies actually work, how they quietly control billions in global revenue, and why this invisible system could soon control the future of every industry on Earth. Let's start at the beginning, with the first trillion-dollar AI experiment that changed everything. 1. Google, the AI advertising empire. Google doesn't just run a search engine, it runs one of the most sophisticated AI marketplaces ever built. Every single time you type something into the Google search bar, AI systems instantly go to work. Behind the scenes, thousands of algorithms compete in real time to decide which ad you see, which company wins the bid for your attention, and how much they should pay, all within a fraction of a second. This automated bidding system, powered entirely by AI, is what makes Google over $200 billion a year in ad revenue. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also analyzing your search history, location, browsing behavior, and even what YouTube videos you watch, to build a constantly evolving digital version of you. That digital profile is sold, refined, and reused across Google's entire ecosystem. In other words, you, or at least your data, have become a part of the AI economy itself. This is how Google maintains its dominance. Not by selling products, but by selling predictions about human behavior. 2. Amazon, the AI supply chain that never sleeps. While Google's AI economy runs on data, Amazon's runs on logistics. Every time you click Buy Now, you trigger a massive chain reaction of algorithms. AI predicts not just what you want, but when you'll want it. Sometimes before you even realize it yourself. It decides how many items should be stocked in warehouses, which delivery route is fastest, and which product recommendations are most likely to make you spend more. Amazon's anticipatory shipping system is an AI model that pre-ships products to regional warehouses based on predictive analytics. It's one of the reasons why you can get items delivered in just a few hours. But here's the secret. Amazon doesn't just use AI, it sells it. Its AI cloud infrastructure, AWS, Amazon Web Services, powers the machine learning systems of thousands of other companies, including Netflix, Spotify, and even government organizations. That means Amazon makes money not only from its own AI, but also from everyone else's. It's like renting out the brain of the most intelligent system on Earth for a fee. This is the backbone of Amazon's trillion-dollar empire, a never-sleeping AI network that runs global commerce 24/7. 3. Meta, turning human emotion into AI currency. If Google sells information and Amazon sells efficiency, Meta sells something far more personal: human emotion. Every like, comment, and share is a piece of emotional data, and Meta's AI systems convert that emotional energy into money. Using deep learning models, Meta predicts what kind of content will keep you scrolling, sometimes even before you consciously know what you're in the mood to see. It tests thousands of content combinations every second, learns which ones make you angry, happy, or sad, and then amplifies the ones that maximize engagement. The longer you stay on the platform, the more ads you see, and the more the AI learns about your triggers. In this way, your attention becomes the currency of Meta's AI economy. And just like any marketplace, it's constantly being optimized for profit. This system has made Meta one of the most powerful psychological engines ever created. Its AI doesn't just analyze human behavior, it shapes it. 4. Apple. The AI that controls desire. Apple plays a different game. While other companies use AI to chase your attention, Apple uses it to curate your desires. Its AI models track not just what you buy, but why you buy. From facial recognition that learns your expressions, to algorithms that design personalized recommendations, Apple uses machine learning to anticipate your emotional state. Every notification, every suggested for you playlist, even the way icons bounce on your screen, is fine-tuned by AI to create micro-dopamine hits. But Apple's real power lies in its AI ecosystem lock-in. Once you buy into their world, iPhone, iPad, MacBook, AirPods, their AI makes it nearly impossible to leave. Your data, photos, habits, passwords, even health metrics, all get woven into a unified AI ecosystem that constantly learns from you. This is how Apple sustains one of the most profitable loyalty systems ever built, powered by invisible machine learning models running quietly in the background. 5. Microsoft, the AI infrastructure of the future. While others fight for attention, Microsoft has built something even more powerful: the infrastructure that fuels the entire AI revolution. Through Azure AI, OpenAI partnerships, and enterprise-level automation tools, Microsoft isn't just participating in the AI economy. It's building the highways everyone else drives on. Every company that uses GPT models, cloud AI, or even office automation tools pays a toll to Microsoft. Their partnership with OpenAI is especially strategic. Microsoft invested billions, not just to own a stake, but to gain control over the computing backbone of the generative AI industry. In other words, if AI is the new electricity, Microsoft owns the power grid. And that's how they quietly turned AI infrastructure into a trillion-dollar opportunity, while the rest of the world was busy chasing viral chatbots. 6. The hidden players, the data brokers, and shadow labs. But the real secret of the AI economy lies beyond the tech giants, in the data supply chain. There's a hidden layer of companies you've probably never heard of: data annotation firms, scraping services, algorithm training labs, and synthetic data generators. They feed the machines with billions of human-generated samples: faces, voices, emotions, medical records, and personal details. In countries like India, Kenya, and the Philippines, there are massive AI labor farms where thousands of people label images and videos for a few dollars a day. So billion-dollar algorithms can learn what a cat, a tumor, or a smile looks like. This is the dark side of the AI economy, where human labor quietly powers machine intelligence. An invisible workforce that makes the AI revolution possible yet remains completely unseen. 7. The future. When AI starts paying itself. Here's where things get even crazier. We're moving toward an era where AI systems won't just generate money, they'll spend it too. AI models are already being trained to manage stock portfolios, buy cloud services, and even hire other AIs for specific tasks. This could lead to a self-sustaining AI economy, where machines trade, negotiate, and operate financial ecosystems without human input. Imagine a world where your favorite tech company doesn't even need a CEO, because the company is an AI. That's not far-fetched. In fact, several blockchain and AI startups are already experimenting with autonomous organizations that run entirely on code, with no human management at all. When that happens, we won't just have an AI-powered economy, We'll have an AI civilization. The truth is, the AI economy isn't coming. It's already here. Every time you search, shop, scroll, or click, you're feeding the invisible machine that runs our digital world. The same algorithms that recommend your music, deliver your groceries, and plan your commute are also fueling trillion-dollar corporations. The future belongs to those who understand how these invisible systems work, because soon they'll shape everything: politics, education, medicine, art, and even human relationships. So next time you use an AI tool or scroll through a feed, remember this: you're not just a user, you're a part of the secret AI economy that's quietly changing the world.